Which oil is best for fast hair growth? One of the most popular hair oils for growth is coconut oil. It is versatile, excellent for nourishing the skin as well. The large content of fatty acids in the oil penetrates the hair follicles deeply without evaporating. It also contains carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals that are essential for good hair health. Source a pure oil, free of any additives and mixtures. You can try mixing herbs like simple curry leaves, brahmi or amla by heating the oil before applying it. Advantages of coconut oil. Besides promoting hair growth, it leaves your hair healthy, soft and lustrous. Coconut oil can also be used as a conditioner since it is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. Aside from the host of benefits, it also protects the hair against heat damage and repairs the strands. The healthier your scalp, the better looking your hair will be. Coconut oil is best for all hair types, and is greatly beneficial for those with dry, damaged or dull hair. Those who want soft hair should use this oil regularly over a period of time for best results. It is also recommended for people with slow hair growth. How to use coconut oil for hair growth. Mildly heat the oil before applying to your scalp and hair. In winters, often the oil solidifies, so you will anyway need to heat it before applying. If you are adding curry leaves, let them crackle in the hot oil before you turn off the heat. Wait till it gets warm from hot before applying. Those who have a dry scalp should massage the oil into the roots of the hair and the scalp. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.